Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and you're not going to believe it, but you're finally going to see this painting. Why did I save it to the very last, and it's just been waiting and waiting around? I don't know. I don't know. It was a Black Friday purchase, all right, and it was the first one I knew I needed, and it's the last one you're getting to see, so there's that. I guess we saved the best to last. I don't know. I don't know. They were all good. I only got 3, and they were all really nice. So this one is a square diamond painting, as you can tell by the box. There's the square on the box. And let's get into it, and I'll show you what we have. All kinds of good instructions and directions and contents and all that stuff is on the box. Yeah. Okay, let's get it out. Let's get it out. Here's our toolkit. Here's our little sticker. All right, I think that's it. I think we got it all out of there. So, I mean, you guys know me well enough. What do you think the very first painting I saw was that I needed? I'll give you one guess. Chalk pencil, right? Yes. Swan Pond. Had to have it. Absolutely had to have it. I've been looking at his paintings for a couple years now, and this was one that I always looked at and said, oh man, that would make a beautiful diamond painting. That would make such a beautiful diamond painting. And well, guess what? Here it is, guys. Here it is. All right. We'll go over all the details in a minute. This is their toolkit. If you've never seen a Diamond Art Club toolkit, this is the old toolkit. I have yet to get a new toolkit, but then I haven't ordered anything new in a while. Actually, I have one that just came back on pre-order. I wonder if that one has a new kit. I don't know. Anyhow, the multi-placer, 4-placer, 2 plates of wax, squishy. This one apparently is square because I have tweezers, right? Diamond Art Club's square toolkits will always include tweezers, your pen, your tray, a bunch of baggies, and you're ready to go. All right, so that's what's in the toolkit. And now I'm interested if the new one that was not a pre-order, it wasn't a pre-order, it was a restock. I just got a okay, I can't get that in there right now. Just go over there. I got a restock. I wonder if that one will have a new toolkit. Guess we'll find out, won't we? When I get into that one. All right, so here we go. What do we know? Soft back canvas. I'm just gonna honestly say I still don't think they're as soft as they used to be. They were more plushy feeling before. They're still soft, but it's different than they used to be. That's all I can say. We have serged edges to help prevent it from fraying, and it's poured glue. I'm gonna roll it backwards to get everything out real quick and just to help it lay flat for us quickly. These will lay flat on their own very easily, but this just kind of helps us for filming purposes. I don't think this one is huge. No, it's not. It is a 74 by 56. I like that. Okay, here's our drills. We'll look at those in a minute. Really good sized bag of drills. Here is our information sheet, step-by-step instructions, tips, tricks, codes, all kinds of stuff in here. So if you've never purchased from Diamond Art Club before, please don't pay full price. There's no reason for you to ever pay full price, okay? I have a code. It is Mindy 10 off, or is it 10 off Mindy? I always forget that. I had it written down here. I think it's 10 off Mindy. Yeah, that's what it is. It is also linked in the description box below. And that can save you $10 off your first purchase. After that, you guys, there's a code in here. There's a code on the canvas. There's usually one in your box. There's codes everywhere to save you some money. And then you can start earning points, reward points, which you can then use to get your diamond paintings. Holy cow. This has 65 colors. Do you see that? 65. That's a lot. Whew. A lot of purples too. Lots of purples, lots of greens. It looks like it has 4 ABs because anything under 150 is an AB. So 141 is white, 135 is that bright green, 130 is either another green or a yellow color, 126 purple. Here's your information. This is all a sticker. You can use this. You can stick this on something if you want to take it off there. Your labels are individually cut so they peel off and you can label your containers. There is the picture of Swan Pond. Isn't it gorgeous? We just have this gazebo. It's like out in the pond, has lights around the gazebo. We've got the swans swimming. There's a butterfly. There's a lantern, a hosta, a couple hostas over here. Some beautiful flowering trees, another lantern. Isn't it just gorgeous? All the flowering trees. And then, we got the hostas and tulips are down here. More tulips, more butterflies. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. I had to have this one. Had to have it. The Chuck-along is coming in March. This might be a perfect canvas to work on in March. Very springy feeling, right? Look at that legend, you guys. Holy smokes, look at it. It goes almost all the way up the side. 65 colors. Wow. Just wow. While we're up close here, let's look at the lantern and the drill field. Look, it's always so clear. So clear. Look at these pretty pinks in through here. It's going to be gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Look, I can already see 2s and 3s and 4s. Those are ABs. We're already spotting those right away. And then this is going to be like peach, like a really pretty coral color. That tree is going to be beautiful. Just beautiful, those corally colors. I can hardly wait to see what they look like, the drills, All right. With no further ado, let's look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, it is so pretty. Let me zoom you out a little. There it is. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. Like I said, we got a lantern here and a lantern here. Each of the posts back here on the gazebo have a lantern. Oh, the roof of the gazebo, look, it has ABs in it. It has 4s. It has 1s. Guys, how many ABs? How many bags? How big are the bags? That's what I'm wondering. I love the swans, all right, because of the reflection. Let's look at one up close. Now, do you see that swan? There's a glare. No, you can't see it. Say, Mindy, no, I can't. But there's, goodness, it's just wanting to glare. Maybe I can do it the other way. There we go. Look at the reflections. Here's the swan, and here's the reflection of the swan. It's beautiful. It's perfect. This one here, look, even down to its bill right there, you can see that in the water, the reflection. It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Wow. What more can I say about this? It is beautiful. All of your information is down here at the bottom. The size, the artist, licensing. If I go look for a frame, 29 by 22. Interesting. Okay. It's just, wow. I can hardly wait to do this. This just might be, my March Chuck-along piece. It might be. Yeah. I seem to always have one that just goes, yes, do me, right? Like the Brookside Retreat was the last one. I just had to do that one. All right, let's look at the drills, and then we'll look for the ABs, and we'll figure out where those go. The big bag of drills, it says, has the kit number, S for square, AB, the name, Swan Pond. Gorgeous colors in here. Whoop, one is hanging out all by itself. I bet you it goes in that tree over there. I bet you that one goes in the tree. 351, this beautiful coral color. Yep, beautiful coral. 351, number 9. Sure does. You go right there. Oh, boy. Okay, here we go. Are you ready for the beauty? Oh, man. Okay, so we have to have some green, right? So let's start with 904 green, 2 bags of them. All right. 327 is a pretty plum purple. 2 bags of 702. 2 bags of 890. A 155 purple. I have some mustard. A pretty pink. some tan, brown, chocolatey color, gray, brown, and then look at here. Here's our, well, two of them right next to each other. 126 is this pretty pink. I'll call it a pink. And then 141 is white. So there are two of our ABs. Aurora Borealis is what that stands for. They put this coating on there, and it makes it really just pick up all of the colors. It shimmers and shines. It makes it iridescent. I see pinks and yellows in there, and sometimes a little blue. It really just makes things pop on your canvas. It's just gorgeous. Oh, there's our 3371. Another pink and some more browns and grays. All right, what else do we have? Pretty blue. I love this color. 322 is a gorgeous blue. Oh, and then here's another AB. That is that bright green I was talking about, 135. And this one, it pops right off the canvas. I mean, you can look at this canvas and see it. It's here, here, here. That color just goes pow, right in the face. A yellow, 210, one of my favorites. Very pretty, pretty yellow. Another pretty purple. Bring on the purples. Yes. More purple, more purple. Another blue. Another green. Another purple. Some more greens. Another mustard. And what do you call this color? What do you call that color? It's not brown. It's not gray. It's not green. What is it? I don't know. What do you call it? All right. These are still some large bags. I haven't got to the small bags yet. Those are upside down and backwards for you. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Two of these, $8.95. Another brown. Another green. Some more browns. I mean, there's a lot of brown, but it doesn't, as I'm pulling all these browns and grays, they don't really like seem prominent, do they? I mean, there's a lot of brown in the tree and a lot of brown here, but most of it looks green and pink and purple to me. Those just don't stand out as being, you know, that many shades of green and brown. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I don't know where this goes, but it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. If they did like a whole bush or a tree in this color, I would be so happy. It is in the trees. Oh, it's in the trees. Yay. Okay. Love it. Look at these pretty pinks. We got one more AB, don't we? Are we still hunting for an AB? I think so. Yep, there it is. And it is yellow. It is a yellow AB. Very nice. And then a little bit of red. Finish off with a tan. As we're just talking about the browns, let's finish off with a tan. All right, so you already saw that over here, fours, all the little white dots, those are the ones, okay? The swans have fours, okay? Their bodies have a lot of four. And then there's a little bit over here, and then some flecks. Some flecks are coming through the tree up there. Just a few little white flecks. See them? But then this roof, this has fours. And then all these like dots have fours. They're not solid fours. They're mixed with like a blue. But yeah, that'll be pretty. Let's just go with the three. The threes are so easy to find. You guys, the threes pop right out. Although the twos are kind of popping also. So maybe we'll do the threes and the twos at the same time. So down here in your hosta, we have some threes. We have threes here, but twos in the lantern. The butterfly gets some twos, and there's a few threes there. The twos are all the lantern colors for light, right? Threes, just all of this bright green. See the bright green? Let's see. Can you see the bright green? See it? That is all that bright green, number 3. So all through here, up in here, and then the 2s and the 3s just kind of play around in the trees. We'll just say they play around in the trees. So there's 3s in here, there's 3s and 2s, 3s, 2s, 2s, 3s. They just kind of dance around up there in the trees. That's beautiful. Now one actually had quite a large bag, and it is a pinkish purple. So it's in here. It's in here, here, all in this water right here. We get a lot of the AB in the water. We get more up here on the roof. So that's going to blend with the white. And then up here in the sky. So one's just kind of spatter around up here in the sky. And is there more over here? Let's see. Yes, some more up here in the sky. Just little bits throughout the sky because it's purple, right? It's purple, pink, whatever. Oh, I'm in love. I am in love. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? Let me zoom you out again so you can see the whole thing again. And what do you think? Okay, yeah, I think I found my canvas for March. How about you? Who got this? Let me know if you got this. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my goodness. Yes, I just did that. It took my breath. Yes, it did. It did. It took my breath. I can hardly wait to work on this one. It's going to be gorgeous. And I love the size. Love the size. It's not a huge one. It's very manageable for me in a month. So winner, winner, here we go. Like I said, I think I saved the best until last, right? So let me know if you got this one. If you didn't, do you want it now? Do you want it now? Because March, it's only a couple months away. Yeah, this one's not going far. I'm going to keep this one close by, ready to go. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you have found your love in diamond painting. I have found mine. Here he is. You know, he's my man. What can I say? So hit the like button, subscribe. If you have not subscribed, it would be awesome if you subscribed. And, you know, hit the notification bell. I never say that, but then you'll know when I'm putting up videos so you can make sure you don't miss any of the good stuff, right? Don't miss any of the good stuff. All right. So I will talk to you guys soon as I'm sitting in my winter wonderland dreaming about this. What are you dreaming about? All right. I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day.